Hello friends, welcome back to the channel where we decode the future of Web3 blockchain innovation and digital ownership. In today's video, we are diving into a topic that's redefining the very foundation of content creation and value in Web3. So it is the intellectual property tokenization. We will cover in this video about the IP Infinity prize pool happening now on MEXC exchange, a deep dive into a story protocol, and finally I will share something inside on current crypto market dynamics and emerging trends shaping the creator economy. Let's get into it, but before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon to all so you will get a notification of my new videos in the future. So without wasting your time, I will start review this now. Right now, MEXC, one of the top global crypto exchanges, is hosting a major initiative, that IP Infinity Prize Pool event, and which is given here. I will give that link in my video description. This is the part of a broader move toward recognizing intellectual property as an on-chain tradable asset through the IP Story network on MEXC. Users can engage with IP-backed token, participate in campaigns, and potentially earn from the evolving IP economy. So you can see they will get here. You can see 100k prize pool, 1000k prize pool awaits, and which have zero fees up to 400% APR and more. You can see is given here. You can go and register there. For that, I will open that link. You can even click that and you can see the current events which are going on. Unlock zero fees trending with IP, staking IP to unlock 400% APR. New user, you can stake that, you can trade that. You can see there is further deposit and trade spot to share, get 10,000 IP, and to boost spot traders and share 10,000 IP. You have to trade to future and share 200k USDT in future bonus. So you can see that event. Why does this matter? Because it signals a shift from only models to a value rooted in creative ownership and prevents something blockchain was designed to support from day one. If you are a creator, collector, or investor, this is your chance to get early exposure to a new category of digital asset. This video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice. So do your own research before investing in it. So I will just go and share with you. You can even go and do trade now here. So I will just click on it and you can see you can go on it and do that. So you can even go and do register here, and for that you can see registration for mine is already successful because I already make the account. So you have to go and make the account and work on it. You can join, refer to earn. You can go for that on it too. I will give that link in my video description so you can easily be a part of my team. I will share that. So further, which is developing a decentralized protocol that allows anyone to register, license, trace, and monetize IP natively on chain. Register, track, and license IP in the age of AI. You can register for work. You can browse you can see further details, browse the IP, a single IP framework for a multi-platform world. You can see that here. And now I will share with you that how it works. Creators can register their IP with a unique identifiers tied to the blockchain. Developers can build application on top on this IP layer. From remix markets to the fan fiction realities, it brings transparency and programmability to the licensing, something the traditional IP industry has struggled. A new way to the license IP. Think of it as an open source of IP registry, and meets smart contract automation for licensing, royalty, and attribution. And in the world of increasingly driven by a generative AI, meme culture, digital collaboration, story protocol is potentially and the infrastructure that could power the next billion creative transaction here. So furthermore, you can see it here there on Twitter too, and you can see, let's zoom for a minute. There is a few macro trends. You can see it here, the details about that, the 360 million tip in token and reserve. You can see the further detail. There are few given here. You can see that it brings transparency and programmability programmability to licensing and all that, you can go and follow further on it. So if we go and see the market at that time, you can see that about market details which will be given here. And let's zoom out a little bit. After that, you can see the hot tokens which are given here. There are few macro trends driving the shift. You can see commoditization of content is making the content cheaper and faster to create, but that makes provenance. You can see the rise of creator economics and platform, like you can see it here. All that detail is given about that. The market is going up and down, their details, all that. You can see a market overview where the up is given and the down is also the hot. Even new listings are given here. So what should you do on this? You have to do your own research before investing in it. Explore the IP Infinity price pool on MAXC, and you can go for that. You can see it's with a low barrier, a way to learn and potentially earn from the future of IP. Dive into the story protocol. Even if you are not a developer, understanding their vision gives you a huge edge, and staying from this space is moving fast, and those who recognize the shift early trend into the benefit the most. All links are in the description below. If you found this valuable, do not forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification. We are just getting started exploring the real use of cases of crypto, not just hype but the infrastructure that powers the next digital era. Do your own research before investing in it. So give thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.